These don't fall off, do they? Let's not break this panel. Let's not fall off. It's too big. Oh no, it's the other side. It says you pull up. Oh, well that's attached to glass. Okay, we're gonna put this very carefully. We won't put it here. Now let's rotate this beast. It comes with pre-applied, the ATX standoffs come pre-applied. Is that all of them? It's you. Is that a standoff, but like has something inside of it? Okay, we're fine. Now we're gonna find our standoff screws. And it should have come with our case, motherboard box. Don't fail me today. Oh, these are not it. These are it? These don't fall off, do they? Okay, that's the screws. Let's not break this panel. Okay, let's not fall off. No. Thank you so much, NZXT. Okay, drive bay. Oh, there they are. There we go. Okay, let's beat this thing bad boy back on its side. And hopefully everything works after all this thing, otherwise, very bad frontal complaint. Okay. Why such a tight squeeze? I can see it from the fans. I'm now the cameraman. We're now servicing the motherboard. It's a very tight squeeze. I must say, how the hell do people do this the whole time? Like, is that fan with this thing? We're gonna have to take it out, okay. NZXT, why do you have to do this too? Like, what? Okay, we have to take off the fans. Only, which fan? Only this fan. It's only one, so it's really fine. Now, thanks to NZXT's amazing big brain, it's too big. Oh no, it's the other side. Yeah. Okay. No. We're not going to take out the wire, we're just going to move it. We can just put it back after. God, where are we going to put this? Oh wait, okay, I got an idea. On NZ. Why did you meant to come out? Yeah, you do it. Why did it make everything so hard? It's so annoying. It should be really easy, but it's really hard. God, what am I sitting on? Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's just easier. We can just like move it out of the way for now. Oh my god, it's already out. Okay, hold that. Now we can insert the motherboard without worrying about the NZXT's stupid problems. Oh my god, that was waiting. Oh my god. Okay. Screws. Also, I feel like they should make like the bottom of the motherboard like stronger. For simple reason being, why the hell did NZXT do this? If you just put your hand in here, you can bend one of the pins. That's not okay. And oh no, there's like 1,000 screws in here. Which ones are they? Now we gotta actually read the manual. Thank you, NZXT, for making an unnecessary large. Here's the motherboard. I don't see any. 32, let's go. Now we gotta take out a total of 9 of these. Total of 8 screws. This one at the center here, next to the M.2, that's just like for motherboard pressure. Since there's too weight there, it could like bend or crack the motherboard. That's just like the relief pressure. That's what I think is for anyway. Do not apply too much pressure. I think that should be fine. Should it be fine? They all align anyway, majority of them. This one doesn't align. We've got you align, so I'm going to do a top U. Power cables are going to be a pain. I just know it right now, trying to cable manage this thing. I wish we had a magnetic one, but this one is, I think it is, but it's just rusty. Why is it so hard to put in? It makes no sense. iFixit sponsorship. You know iFixit. iFixit have screwdrivers. That iFixit. This thing just doesn't work because like I don't know. We got like a bad something like a bad GPU, bad motherboard. Or someone returned it but never said it was bricked. It's nearly time to put in the power supply. and then it'll be in somewhat way looking done. This motherboard looks insane. And in. And in. Okay. Now we have our GPU inserted. It's time for the power supply. Hopefully the motherboard doesn't fall when I stand this up. Okay. Okay. It looks good. Okay. Now start our power supply. Power supply is anti-static, so no more anti-static crap. I'm just gonna tuck it in my underneath my thing. So I'm just gonna twist it around my leg and just clamp it onto my hand. Wrong way. That's gonna irritate me. Of course I need to be facing up. Wait, no, wait. Airflow down. Okay, yeah, it's better. Now, that looks nice-ish. It completes the white build. It does. It does. Now, power supply. This is gonna take a while. Okay, power supply. A. Screws A. It's hexagon screw 632. Hexagon screw. Hexagon screw 632. Yeah, there's 4 there. Okay. Now we shall line this. Oh, it's not one on the other side. Oh no. It's gonna be hard to line up. Oh, if you line up one screw, it should be fine. We don't need to apply any pressure. Just when you're putting your power supply, make sure you put your hand back there, so you're pressing against it, so it doesn't move or rotate while you're screwing in. Also, when starting your power supply, make sure you have a couple of hundred, at least 200 watts of room in case you got spikes in power. That can happen, and you can blow up your computer. Not blow up, but just crash. So make sure you release 100 watts, 100 to 150 watts of space. Oh no, there it is. I keep on losing stuff. It's so annoying. Hope this thing actually boots up. Okay, second screw. Did I put a screw in the wrong place? No, I didn't. If we ever get 1,000 subscribers, we need to buy an automatic thing. So if we start getting money off YouTube, we need to get an automatic screwdriver. It'll just make it so much easier. What's this adding the thread ripper? If the thing it clicks for if there's enough pressure, they should add one of those for stock coolers. This would be way easier. Because in case people actually tighten too much, then it clicks if you're going over a certain amount of force. And it just doesn't work then. Which is good. Then you can't break it accidentally. We are now in. We have our power supply in. It looks nice. It's the side thing. Anyway, now it's power cable time. Cables we are going to need. We just put that. What cables we need our power supply cables. Where's our power supply? There it is. Okay. Power supply cables. We're going to need our motherboard. Pin something. No account. I have no idea. Open back. Okay. The smell. Okay, we got a German plug. We don't need that. These are our white cables. These are going to look nice. I know it. Ooh, no, I have to fall. You do not have to fall. Okay. Now, cables. Scissors. Okay. So now it's time to cable this entire computer. So this part of it goes into the motherboard. The 16 pin, the big ass one goes into the goes into the motherboard. This one goes into the power supply. So it goes into, you want to see that there's patterns on it. Make sure those patterns are aligned. My one don't. So I have to flip you. Oh god. Okay, wait, okay. So make sure the pattern aligns. It's a square and a house looking thing. And a thing and a thing. So it should be fine. So there's a clip here. And it should be a clip, but if you fully modular power supply, then clip, but you don't. If you're semi-modular, there's modular and attached. If you don't, it's just attached and you can't, yeah. It should be reattached, so it doesn't really matter. So you gotta attach it, labeled. Let's insert U, insert U. Is it in? Should be clip noise, isn't there? Should we push in all the cables and then screw it in? Oh my god, okay, really fast on screwing time. And it's out. AC, it's white, it's nice. So it's gotta get this multi-tooth in. I'm gonna hold it like this. Motherboard, the big pin goes the big pin, align it, and just lock her in. You should hear like a light click. Click. Okay. The other end goes into this thing, and we also need this cable, which should be the exact same end. No, wait. This one goes in to the motherboard, which is what is this one? Oh, CPU. Okay. PCIe/CPU, and it goes into either one of them. Click and down. We then have our what looks like SATA, and now our SATA into our SATA slot, like so. Man, this is a bulky ass manual that scares me. Okay, so now we're inside our power supply with the cables in. We have the CPU thing, CPU power rate 1. We don't need these because we have a 30 watt GPU and the 75 is the you can take out. And we have a SATA and motherboard. That's really all we need. Oh my god, do not hit that. Wait, is this the right way? It is the right way, okay. Slide the bad boy in and put pressure on it because it's probably going to move. I don't want it to move, but it's still going to move. I don't. This can you change the screw in? I just know it. God. Screw. Fan is facing down. That's what we want. That. Oh, can you not go normal? Can you not go normally? Where'd our third screw go? Okay. Thought I lost the screw. Right, so we need to like take out the power supply because this one wasn't ready, but we fixed it, hopefully. I'm actually gonna say that now because it's gonna go in. Thank you so much. Oh, it is, okay. Now we have it fixed. Right, power supply is officially done. Now for our cables. We're gonna feed our motherboard cable through to this side. And we're gonna plug it in up there. Yeah, it's like you, okay, it's like you. I'm just gotta line it up perfectly. And it should be in. Is it in? Yeah, I suppose it's in. Now it's gotta fix you, bring you off the side. You are in, hopefully. Now to route R. So now we have our CPU power cable, which goes up here. So we're gonna bring that up into you. Never mind, thank you, and it'd be so clean there. Okay, we got it. Okay, 3-point camera. Just gonna put in our power cable like so. CPU power is in. That should be in. It's in. I'll just rewire you. Now that looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. I suppose it looks nice. Now we need to attach our fan. We need to put our fan back on. Now we need to find where we put the screw somewhere. It was in a yeah, you are the same. Okay, we found them. These are it. Oh, that's going to be such a fucking pain. We can do this. Okay, this is pulling that way, which means just pull this way. Now screw this in. Oh, that's a glass. Should we put arrows for people who have no idea? These ones are tight. Right, these ones are gone. Okay, nearest fan header. We're looking for a 3-pin fan header. We're out in time for better cable management. Right. And we're now taking you down here. We're trying to reattach this. It's going there, yeah? CHA fan. That means Cassie fan, case fan. And slot you in. It's a 3-pin. Make sure it lines with the. Oh god. Okay, we're in. Now let's bring you down. Excellent cable management, must say. Okay, now we have our fan tone back in. We now have to connect our... Say that? No. What's it called? God, what's it called? A hard drive. We need to connect our hard drive, don't we? USB 3 is probably plugged in, but it's not in, so let's just... We made there's a pin here. Make sure you line it, but there's this thing there. Some tight squeeze, don't break. In. USB 3 is in. And now we need to attach these HD audio and front panel connectors. It should be labeled on the motherboard. Panel there. Is that it? Okay, remember to test the light thing, so be like 2 seconds. So what was that? Oh, it popped out, never mind. Okay, actually from the back, all holes are realigned. What is that? I'm just gonna drill. I'm not gonna turn it off. It'll be faster and better. Hopefully it's better. This thing, I'm going to kill. Wait, is this a different screw? It doesn't seem to be sinking in. Okay, no. I feel there's a screw in here somewhere. If we turn on, it could short circuit. Let me just see. So we should probably give it a shake test.